towed to the boat launch. Poor guy. Jack. Got to get towed to the boat launch. That sucks. And there's birds. Sunny boy. Yeah. And then there's the bird. Bogey going on top of the bridge. Pretty cool. We'll have to see what's in it. Out to sea we go, out to sea we go. Out to sea we go, out to sea we go. Pretty cool. Yeah. So, and then there you go, getting towed into the boat launch. Poor guy. That sucks. Bummer, dude.
Where are we, Carter?
86,
How fast?
2.1.
2.1?
Uh-huh. There we go. See the chopper. Oh, I can see fine.
Yeah.
Oh, got the...
Look like a
my
witch.
piglets.
Ladies a girl.
My piglets. Scaring Grandpa. Be nice.
You definitely don't look like an angel.
We're looking possessed. Yeah,
Carter,
Papa.
you don't have any home.
And then now we have some salmon coming, hopefully.
You ain't a witch and you ain't
Before
an
it
angel.
rains.
You're a fisherman.
Fisherman McGee, leave her alone. Fishing boy. Watch her pull. There it goes. It's a big one.
Not gonna be small.
Try to rain. Try to rain.
Bro, it's red.
There he is.
So, Coast Guard have red ones in there, yeah.
Yeah.
It's purple ones.
It's reddish orange.
It is orange.
Red.
We're colorblind.
I'm not colorblind. Red.
Okay, we come to those bills.
Huh?
I'm here, yeah. What's this going? What's the color of this? And that's orange, the same color.
Okay, that's enough.
Red.
Here, fishy, fishy, fishy.
Yeah, fishy.
Here, salmon, 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 salmon.
Yeah, salmon. Want to shove my butt up your butt.
Where's Sally at? Sally the salmon. And Simon the other salmon.
And bite off hooks, you can cut your throat and throw yourself in the smoker.
Yeah.
And you can taste like, smell like cigarettes.
Ooh.
I can touch my chin, Dad.
Fish, 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 fish.
Bite, fish.
Whoa, birdies
Bite,
just
bite.
screaming by.
Dad.
Come on, just bite our hooks.
Weirdo.
We just want to invite you to a strip party where all the female fish are dancing.
Yeah, I want to invite you to a fish fry.
Yay!
Fish fry.
And on the cook, we have halibut.
Way off in the distance is Canada.
We have Canada.
Let's go to Canada.
Let's go to Mexico.
No.
That's way far away.
Mexico's cool.
Mexico is cool.
Not Sonia.
Let's go to China.
No.
Yeah.
We don't want COVID.
We can fish in China seas.
We don't want COVID.
How would we get COVID if we fish into the ocean, Amelia?
We need COVID in China.
You know how COVID started?
Somebody's making a pie and I want to do that.
Like they at a high school. But it's black. There's a white one at my school too.
That's all right.
Yes, that's one.
Our pie, I don't like it. The one that's a dog. Plus it's a
Remember when we went hiking? It's about right over there where we went hiking because we could see the island from here. Over there. Yeah, that's where we went hiking at.
What is? Are we gonna go past that? Down here.
Papa Smurf. That big rock right there, baby. He looks like Papa Smurf.
Over, you want me to slow down so you can stand up and take a picture on the back?
I got it.
Huh?
It's fine.
Is it all blurry going through that plastic?
No.
Does it not look like Papa Small?
You know Papa Smurf.
Right, his tongue is blue.
That's disgusting.
Oh yeah, please. And it runs in his family. Everybody in his family has a blue tongue. Last time his twin brother. His twin brother has a white tongue.
I don't know what you guys talking about. I don't know who's Papa Smoker.
That big rock right there. The big rock that looks like the shape of a wheel. Mary, that big rock right there, that's Papa Small.
You know who this Papa Smurf is? You got no Papa Smurf? The Smurf.
That big rock does.
Too little. But that's good practice. Papa. Good job, baby. You're good help.
51 now. Whoa!
Pretty cool though. That's how you take it off. Drop back in the water when he's too little.
You wish it was big on there?
Of course. It's good stuff though. Oh yeah, it's deep enough. We're in the ocean, baby. This is ocean water. Because she drops it everywhere. Pigs don't take baths. He's a pig.
Some pigs do.
Pig. Oink, oink, oink.
Stuffed animal.
He's taking a pig back tomorrow.
Pig. Yes. Out here in the ocean.
No.
The rocks over there is where Papa Smurf is. And then around the corner is the Strait of Juanifica. And we are out at the Pacific Ocean fishing. Come on, buddy, come back up. Just stop.
I one time I fished and I caught a fish this big.
brothers. Hope your head's right.
Oh, look at
There we
Bailey.
are. Happy as a kid.
There's some animals that they want to kill me. They might be born on cyst though.
That's cool.
Fish cuts.
Get it?
Lots of
Because
fish on the fish finder. Should get a bite any minute.
And hopefully we get a big ass green card.
Hopefully Amelia reels this one in.
What if it's a big green card?
Good job, baby.
We get a big ass green card, it has to go in the white bucket.
Yes.
there's my fish.
And there's Bassy, Bassy, Lassie.
You know what we call green
No.
cards?
Sassy Bass.
No.
Lunchy?
No.
Dinner?
Fish gut.
No.
Taco?
Guts.
Fish Guts. That's the name? Okay.
I'm kidding.
That
It's
works.
home of the Simpson weirdo.
Weirdo.
Come on, pooping guy, just give me a sniff.
Yes, we need more fish.
Yeah, do you like sniff? And fish? Like a
Fish Guts. Yes, you will. Hope you boo-boo. Stop.
Oh,
My
God.
god. That's
God
like
damn.
20,000.
Yep, lots of fish on the fish finder.
We want the whole thing to be full of fishes.
It is.
Not the whole thing.
The whole thing is full of fishes.
Pooping guy, just give me.
Put on deep enough. Line out.
No, this is better than
Well, caught a new fish today. I never caught in my life. It's called cabezon. It's that ugly one, the bigger one, the ugly one. Cabezon.
And somehow the meat
And a bass so far. Amelia caught the bass. I caught the cabezon. Be fun to see what color the blue. The meat is. Sometimes it's blue, Grandpa says.
Wait, why is he fat?
I
wonder if you fillet him
over
while he's
there.
On the
I saw somebody caught that.
Are you catching another? Are you gonna bring that home or are you gonna eat it here?
Oh, look, Grandpa caught that
I want
one.
to try it smoked, don't you?
That'd be cool.
I want to try it smoked.
My grandpa got that one
In the ocean?
Nice.
with me. And I was really fast and I got it.
What did you eat?
No, I love you. Why? It's cool.
You don't say it's cool. You're being
It's cool.
It's how you want it. Oh, look at that. There's a cave right to that rock.
That's awesome. How you not like that cave?
Mary, if it's not cool, you have to go swimming.
Look at this Papa Smurf and his mother.
This is cool. Starfish on the rocks over there too, behind us.
You know, you can
You see all the starfish?
Ooh, they look tasty. Can we
Ew,
eat them?
look how big that kelp is.
What's up?
Seafood salad.
Ew.
Look at those fish underneath there.
Not cool.
It's on the 20 here.
Not cool.
It's shallow.
No, it's 21.
Grandpa, I'm saying
Get you away from that.
it's not cool.
Whoa, look at all the barnacles.
This is
On the
not
rock.
cool.
That's awesome.
It's not cool.
Can you eat barnacles?
Not cool.
Amelia, is that cool? Amelia,
Whoa, look at them cliffs. Those are cool. They look awesome. That cut.
Not cool.
That's awesome.
That's not cool.
Would you like to go swimming?
Not cool.
Now what are we
Swimming
doing?
them birds. We're going to the cut.
It's cold.
Now what are we doing?
Fishing.
Salmon fishing?
I don't know what we're doing.
There's a little waterfall. 2 of them.
Oh yeah.
Oh, they're so cute.
Nice.
Just like monkeys. Yeah, monkeys so cute.
Not cool.
Well, look how cool the cliffs are.
How deep is the heel?
Not cool.
Fish.
There's a fish on the fish line.
Oh, look at that. Hey, Paul, look at that cut.
Not cool.
That's awesome.
You're not gonna fish here?
That's a cool cut.
You just fish on a fish farm, though.
Two kelpie. Kelpie seed. Yellow kelp. Kelpie. That's right.
Man, let's get some salmon. You want to eat?
Guys fishing over there. Oh yeah. That's pretty awesome. Cabezon. Whoa, so much kelp right here.
There's the head ape and the planet of the apes. See him?
Yeah,
Eyeball.
I see his shape of his head. Oh, stop, Amelia. Sound like your brother.
Amelia, is this fun or boring?
It's fun.
There's a crocodile.
Would he die?
No water there. What do you think?
Yeah.
That's great. Pretty cool though. I love it out here. So beautiful.
Yes.
Fish on the fish finder.
2 of them.
2 of
They're
them.
gonna mate and make baby.
4 feet is all it is.
Dad, give it a cast.
Grandpa wants me to. I don't want to, but there's people fishing right
Give
here.
it a cast, Grandpa.
Fishy, 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 fishy.
No.
Fishy, fishy, fishy. Let's hope
Dad,
we
you
catch
can
some
fish
fish.
here.
Okay, son. I'm enjoying Mother Nature for a minute. Watch this rock and roll on the boat. Out here. Fishing in the ocean. Instead of the strait. Can't even see it. Oh, it's around the corner. Tattoo Island's around the corner. It's pretty
Dad,
cool,
you can
though.
fish.
Okay, time
Maybe
to
we-
go
you want me to
fishing.
call
Let's
you?
get more.
I don't know.
Look at Dandy. Stay here. Lift it up, lift it up, lift it up.
Who's fishing today for me?
To me. I need
Lift
the
it to Grandpa. There you
Who's
go.
fish for me today?
Good job,
Is
son.
that bucket getting full?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's getting full now.
That means you gotta start using the white one.
Good job, buddy.
Dad,
Fish
first fish of the
salmon.
day. First fish of the day.
Yeah, here you go.
Good job.
Dad, that was the fastest one today.
Yeah, it was. You had the water in for like 10 seconds, if that.
Man, I just caught a fish in 10 seconds.
That
I
was
just beat my world record.
I've done it, trout fishing. Boozer saw it. I was fishing in eastern Washington. Good job, buddy. Good job, son.
I caught the fastest fish today. I cast it out there 10 seconds later.
Booyah.
Counted in my head 10 seconds.
That was cool, though.
Imagine people come and they say, wow, none of us caught.
Guess what? I'm going to Alex to say.
What?
Let's go see Alex.
Wow.
Why? But the Seahawks are always moves. Most of the time. I know, they both suck. Say hi, my favorite fellows. And white, that's my favorite color.
There's a boat ride I want to go on.
Oh, yeah?
White Mountain.
That would be Jaws. There's a Jaws one.
You know it's actually not a real song.
Wait, yes it is.
No, it's actually a machine.
It's a machine, you're right. That's pretty awesome. It's a rock. Danger.
Most movies these days are fake.
Every day. Yes, it is. A lot of it is. And now we're going by Tattoo Island to go home. Back to shore.
No, it's not real. It's real.
Yeah, where's my lightsaber?
Tattoo Island. don't know if you can tell in this video, but the silver thing's flashing. Our baby fish underwater right here. There's probably about 200 of them. It's pretty cool. You see them flash here and there on the video. It's hard to tell with the sun, the clouds, but you can see them here and there flashing. Nope, they all ran, swam away. I don't know, because maybe they don't need air. Interesting. That thing's huge. Cabezon, number 2, but twice the size. It's fucking awesome.
Somebody give me the club now.
Oh, hand him the club, Carter.
No.
The grandpa do it. You gotta whack it like you're trying to knock him out.
Okay, look out, I gotta move the boat. Get out of the way.
That's so cool. He's freaking huge. Yeah, he looks so happy and big. That's awesome. I caught a huge one.
So if you catch any more bass, just inform them now.